1 hour later.
So guys, hi, how are you doing? So I had a package from Mall. That's what I was picking. Let's go and unbox and see what we have in here. Hey guys, so I have my packages here. These are the things that I got from Mall. Let's unbox them and see what they are. Start with this one. It's a sunscreen. This is the sunscreen that I use. But then this sunscreen is so good. Na huanga ya Dr. Rachel. Unaona venye niko na breakouts huku, niko na pimples. Ni juu sijatumia sunscreen for like a week. A week or two. I've not been using sunscreen. So, let's unbox this one. Kwani what is this? Oh, this is Nini cleanser. Kwani there are two? There are two. I thought it's one.
This one.
Let me unbox everything and see kama ni kitu wamekosa kuweka wakaniwekea cleansers mbili, but the reason why I bought this one, it's because it's a salicylic acid cleanser and that's what works for my skin. Yeah. So everything is like it's skincare products zote. Let's see. Okay. This is a collagen serum. This is what I use. Let me show you in the inside. One venye inakaa. Like this is what I use and it works for my skin. Mama, come here. Let me show you how it looks inside. It's a collagen serum. It looks like that and it works for me. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Gosh, kuna kitu hajaeka ndo maana ameniwekea nini. These are face masks. Hey! So hizi ni face masks. Yeah. They are hyaluronic acid face masks. They are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they were so affordable. I guess I bought these ones for 100. Okay, Shika. I guess they were 100 for the 5 of them. Yeah, Mall. It's like they were running an offer. So what is not there? Oh, kuna vitu haziko. I had ordered a scrubber. It's not here, and a scrub. Those are two products that are not here. I hope they are coming. I hope they will come with the next person on Monday. Yeah, so that's basically it for the Mall order.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California.
Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? I'm heading to the salon. Man, nimejifunga hii kitambaa. I look like a mama who is going to the soko, but I'm going to the salon. I have my hair here. Yeah. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Can you notice? Anyway guys, niliwaachia nikienda salon. Yeah, I went to salon, I did my hair, and this is what I did. How do you like it? Do you love it? Do you love it? This is what I chose, and because it's my birthday month, that's why I chose this. It's called Bonjour Curls by Darling. Yeah, and it's a very nice hair. It's so soft and I love it. What do you think, guys? Do you love it?
Get there, I don't know how. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn. Gotta be patient for a while. Someday.
So So guys, stay here with me, and my birthday is on Saturday. Yes, so I would say this is my birthday hair. My birthday hair. Do you like it? Yeah. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below.